Hello, Sky Dreamer. Today I will draw Bluey and Bingo jumping from the sky. Two sisters so brave, where clouds float high. While waiting for my drawing to finish, I'll tell you a story full of wind and wonder. Before that, like this video, so our hearts can fly together. The sun blinked bright above the hill. The air was cool, the morning still. Bluey tightened her helmet snug. Bingo giggled, giving her a hug. Are you ready, Bluey? Bingo said, ready as pancakes after bed. Mom smiled wide. Remember your cue. If you're cheering too, like this video, won't you? The airplane waited, silver and tall. The propeller spun with a soft hum call. Dad waved. Go get the sky, my crew. Bluey barked. We'll bring some clouds back too. They climbed aboard, paws small but proud. The plane took off, above the crowd. Wow, cried Bingo. We're touching dreams. Look, said Bluey. The earth just gleams. Can you raise your arms like wings so wide? Pretend you're flying side by side, while you soar with them through the blue. Like this video, it's sky for you. The pilot nodded. 1, 2, 3. The sisters jumped, so wild, so free. Wind rushed by, cool and sweet. The clouds rolled soft beneath their feet. Bingo laughed. I'm floating, Bluey. Me too, she shouted. It's like chewy gooey. They spun and twirled in loops of light. Like this video if it feels just right. The world below was tiny and still. Rivers like ribbons, curving the hill. Let's make cloud shapes, Bluey said. I see a puppy. Bingo read. Their parachutes opened with colors bright. Orange and pink, a joyful sight. Can you count to 3 like they do? 1, 2, 3, like this video too. Down they drifted, slow and kind. The breeze hummed songs that calmed the mind. They landed soft in a field of green. The prettiest place they'd ever seen. Dad clapped loud. You did so well. Mom hugged them both. What a story to tell. Bluey grinned. We didn't just fall, we flew. Bingo laughed. And the sky said, thank you. If that made you smile as wide as they. Like this video before dreams drift your way. Now night paints clouds with silver light. Bluey and Bingo snuggle tight. Tomorrow, they whisper, we'll fly once more. Then drift to sleep above the shore. Sun behind small cloud blue heart.